other woman should experience what Julianne faced. So today, this is my pledge. And because today, first of all, we all must commit ourselves to become advocates for maternal health and justice. On behalf of the government and people of Jamaica, I offer sincere condolences to Julianne's mom, Portia, to her siblings, to her entire family, to her friends, to her co-workers, to the advocate in the interest of a woman and children. And so I ask everyone to just stand and demonstrate your commitment to the advocate with any other woman experience of Julianne has experienced. Appropriate tribute, a tangible tribute to speak to Julianne. I understand that there is a room at the Jubilee Maternity Hospital that was commissioned for whatever reason. But that facility was never commissioned. And so today, we will ensure that that facility is commissioned so you never have another Julianne Heron experience.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.